Fix and sell or fix and rent? That is today's video. I am here in Germantown getting ready to go take a look at this house. Not going to tell you the street yet, but it's in a really good location in Germantown. I've known these owners for a very long time, and they're just great people, but they have the opportunity to go help out a family member, and they are not sure if they want to sell or rent. So we're going to go talk to them about both and see what they want to do. Show them the numbers, show them how everything lays out, show them how my management company works, and also the sales side of things. So join me on this tour and let's go take a walk. Outside, we got a lot of chipping, peeling, rotten wood that we need to maintain. They have a landscaper coming out, so they're going to take care of the trees and the leaves. But we got a good bit of wood rot like that right there, unfortunately. Leaning towards fixing whatever we have to and then wrapping everything in aluminum to make it last longer. But there's rotten wood on a couple spots, chip and paint on pretty much everything. They do have window well covers, which is a bonus. The deck needs to be power washed. This side of the house is not bad. My neighbor's dog. So power wash the deck. Landscaper is coming to clean up the trees as well. And everything out here is good. Definitely need a power wash on the back of the house. And then also on this side over here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, just cleaning everything up and get this thing ready for rent. Now that we've seen the outside, ready to go take a look on the inside? And coming in on the main level. Great use of space. The windows were just updated a few years ago. Fireplace they really don't use. Previous owners had this installed because they had their TV over here, so we need to fix that box and just reseat it back in the wall. Flooring was already redone in here. Into the kitchen, we are going to drop some LVP in here to match the family room and dining room. Paint the kitchen cabinets. And that will take care of this, and then just the laundry room cabinets as well. Garage is just through here. Wrong button. And another bath here. I think we should look at replacing this top or resealing it. And then I would run the same floor through here as well. You're good. You may re-enter your home. And heading upstairs, I think we can just clean these carpets, stretch them if we need to, and then again, just more caulking along these seams. They have cared for this house really well. Smoke detectors, we need to change all of those out to make sure they are up to code. This bedroom is in great shape. Really not a whole lot to change. We just got to make sure that whatever we touch up over top of the windows there. So a couple little paint touch-up spots there. And in the bathroom here, I'm going to replace this floor and just re-caulk everything here. And replace the wax ring on that toilet as well. We do have a pretty big chip back there, but clean it up and reseal it, and then just clean up the grout and the caulk. But I think the new floor is going to look great in here. And for a rental, we do need to have at least a drain stopper in there. Bedroom 2. Good space. The stickers do peel off, so no issue there. We should not need to paint in here. Maybe a little touch up or two. And into the master. We have the bathroom set up. So I'm going to look at resealing this or just replacing the top, maybe painting the cabinets. We're going to, they had a water leak years ago, so we're going to pull this carpeting up, probably along this line here, and then do LVP through. Personally, I don't like carpet when there is water nearby. Just got to clean that floor up a little bit, re-caulk, clean up the grout a little bit, nothing major. And this master bedroom is very large, so it's a great space. Closet is really large, and good view out the window. Tree's going to be trimmed up as well. And going down into the basement, we need to caulk some of the joints. We got a little bit of settlement stuff, just on some of the tape seams. And down into the basement. Great space. Windows have caps on them. Water shut off and everything is down there. And a nice bathroom here. And nothing really to change in here. I do think we should pull the toilet and change out the wax ring. And there is another room over here. Just used as storage currently. We're going to replace the carpet in here. HVAC is in here. Everything is nice and pretty. If I can find the light switch. There we go. So we do already have a Radon system in. Gas hot water heater. A nice furnace. This was replaced a couple of years ago, and this is only about 8 years old. So nothing more down here.